My name is Fatima. I live in a small flat in Manchester. I work as a self-employed cleaner. I have no company, no agency, just my tools, my strength, and my dreams. I'm a single mother of two boys, Adam and Bilal. They are my world. I wake up every day at 5 a.m., pack their school lunches, and get them ready. Then I catch the bus with my mop, cleaning supplies, and hope. I clean homes, offices, and sometimes restaurants. Some people greet me with a smile and tea. Others don't even make eye contact. Some say thank you. Some treat me like I'm invisible. But I keep going because I have rent to pay. I have shoes to buy for my growing boys. I have electricity bills to cover. I work in silence. I scrub bathroom floors. I dust under beds. I polish tiles until they shine. I come home late and tired. My back aches, my feet swell. But when I see my boys sleeping peacefully, I feel stronger. One Friday evening in December, it was raining heavily. I had just finished a long shift at a fancy office building. I stepped out holding my cleaning trolley, trying to cross the slippery pavement. Suddenly, I slipped and hit the ground hard. My arm twisted under me. I screamed, but the street was empty. Someone finally helped me. An ambulance came. I woke up in a hospital bed. My arm was broken. My head throbbed. I cried not from the pain, but from the fear. How will I work now? I whispered. How will I pay rent? The nurse touched my shoulder gently. Rest, she said. You've been through enough. The next few days were a blur. I couldn't work. I couldn't even lift a kettle. My boys tried to help, but they're just children. I felt helpless, useless, but something unexpected happened. One of the women whose house I cleaned, her name was Mrs. Jones, found out about my accident. She posted my story on social media with a simple caption. My cleaner is the hardest working woman I know. She slipped and broke her arm after a long shift. If you can help, please do. The post went viral. Within 2 days, people I had never met donated money. They left kind messages. Some offered food deliveries. A local community center sent winter coats for my kids. I cried like a child. A week later, Mrs. Jones visited me with flowers and an envelope. Inside was a card and a check. This is from all the people you've touched without even knowing, she said. But that wasn't all. When I recovered, a small cleaning agency offered me a full-time position with fair pay and benefits. No more chasing clients. No more unpaid jobs, just dignity and stability. Now I manage a small team of cleaners. I make the schedule. I train new workers. I still clean because it reminds me of where I started. But I walk with my head held high. I tell my sons, no job is small, no life is hopeless. And sometimes strangers can bring the biggest blessings. My name is Fatima. I live in Manchester. I was a cleaner with nothing but a mop and a dream. Now I'm a leader with hope in both hands.